एडिशनल चीफ सेक्रेटरी अनुराग बाजपेयी ने कहा, जैसा कि आप जानते होंगे, हम पहले से ही आईएसबीटी शुरू करने की प्रक्रिया में हैं। जब मैंने इस डिपार्टमेंट को ज्वाइन किया तो मैंने देखा कि कई रूट पर बसें नहीं चल रही थी और कई बसों को रिपेयर की जरूरत थी। हमने वह काम पूरा कर लिया है। हम राज्य के सभी इलाकों और जिलों को जोड़ना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसा जैसा कि मैंने बताया, बसें हमारे राज्य में ट्रांसपोर्ट का सबसे सस्ता साधन है और आम लोगों के लिए, खासकर उन गरीब लोगों के लिए जिनके पास कार, मोटरसाइकिल, स्कूटर या बाइक जैसी सुविधाएं नहीं है, कम्युनिकेशन का एक जरिया है।
As you may be aware that we are all already in the process of starting the ISBT, you must be aware. And when I have joined this department, I just observed that the buses were not plying to various routes, and we were having some buses which required the repair also. We have done it, and we want to connect all the regions of the state. We want to connect all the districts of the state because, as I have mentioned, that the buses are the cheapest mode of transport in our state, and this is the means of communication for the common people, the poor people who don't have the such kind of facilities with them like car or motorcycle or scooters or bike, whatever it is. They have to travel on the buses for their daily needs. The vendors have to move for their daily needs. Daily wagers have to move from one district to other districts. So that is why buses are very important. And since last 6-7 years, our direct drivers and conductors have not, driven the buses. So a kind of a refresher course was essential to make them aware of all the new regulations, to make them aware of all the new technologies, whatever the systems we are going to fit in the buses for the safer transport. Moreover, it developed a kind of a sensitization to sensitize them about their responsibility towards the crowd, towards the public, because they are not only responsible for the safety of the travelers in the bus, they are also responsible for the people walking on the road. So how to drive, how to take care of the public who is walking on the road, how to take care of the children who are traveling in the bus, all these things are very important for the safer transport.